Fellas, I'm out in the garage here this morning. It's supposed to hit 100 degrees today, so I'm not going to be out here very long. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate all the comments about the 3 kits that I had lined up and what I might build next. But you know what? I think I'm going to go with this old 40 Ford Coupe. I just really like that body style. Now, they're all going to get built, so down the line you'll see all those others. But for right now, that 40 Ford Coupe. And while I was at Hobby Lobby yesterday looking around, I come across, they got one of these back in again. I hadn't seen those in months, this 50 Chevy pickup. Now I built one of those sometime back to mimic Ruby, my 49 Chevy pickup 1-to-1. And that's a really nice kit. And then I've also got the shop truck going, which is the that's the AMT 50 Chevy pickup, but I'm calling it 49. And I also bought another AMT 66 Chevy Nova. Now I've got one of these chassis waiting in the wings for another pro stock build somewhere down the line. But I built this stock some time back, and it's a really nice kit. So I just thought I'd like to do another one. Of course, I like doing the Pro Street anyway. So there you go. And while I was at the hobby shop, I really like this Tamiya paint because that's what I painted my 30 Coupe with. This is the acrylic, and I bought some of this royal blue, X3, some black. That's just some regular X1 black, and then I got this nice red here, this X7. I like the way the acrylic paint went down on my 30 Coupe, so I'm hoping that I can repeat that process and get another good looking paint job. So I bought these, and I think I mentioned in my other video that the Tamiya acrylic paints in those little bottles there, they just don't have a big selection of those. A lot of those paints are clears, and then what's left is just not a big selection. So it's a crying shame I find something I like that really goes down good and not very much of a selection to choose from. It's either move on to something else or try and do some custom blends, I guess. Alright fellas, I just want to jump on here and let everybody know what my pick is for my next build, and that'd be the one right there, the 1940 Ford Coupe AMT. Haven't really decided on the color, but I'm looking at one of those right there, maybe. I don't know. I think the black would look good too, but anyway, that's still just down the road yet. I need to get that box open, check everything out, and go through the instructions and start trimming the flash off everything. All right, fellas, I think I'm done. I'm out.